Well, thanks for joining us. This is part of the Vanbuild. Today I'm working on the water tank location, water tank and pump. We've decided that originally driver's side was going to have the water, the propane at the back, water, cabinets all across this side here. And after looking at the weight distribution, we think that's too much weight on one side. We have a 20-gallon tank, which would be 160 plus pounds of water. So we're gonna put the water, propane on this side and the electrical on the driver's side. So what I've done is from the front here, in amongst the debris of working, I have this will be resting on the, I have to countersink that screw. This will be resting on the wheel well, water tank on top, first leg, second, third, fourth, plus back here I'll have this area right here screwed into a block attached to the back wall, and then these uprights will be attached underneath, come around with a strap and over the top to the framing, the bed framing, in order to support the sides of the tank and keep things from shifting around too much. Mark floors, added a cleat here just to help support the back of the box. Just slide it over there and see how things fit. Look at that, baby. The tank platform is built, secured, installed. I made it with 1/2-inch ply, sitting on 2x4 legs. Front right corner, furthest from us, is up on top of the wheel well. I wanted to get the weight as far forward as possible and as far over to the passenger side as possible. So the water tank is now installed. The uprights here that you can see, one right there, are actually going to be used to loop a strap from underneath up and then over to the 3/4 inch marine grade plywood front and about 3/4 of the way back. That'll help secure the tank. I take a while to get stuff done. I kind of ponder a lot. I look and I measure and I think about it. I'm pretty happy with this. I'm no master carpenter, but it feels very secure. It's glued and screwed. I used my Krebs pocket screws for the first time today in a couple spots just to try it out. I attached our water fill, vent, drain valve, and then a nipple for the water pump silencing hose to hook onto, and filled it about 2/3 of the way, so probably 17-18 gallons, and let it sit for a while to make sure we didn't have any leaks from the fittings or anywhere on the box. And it's in good shape. So now we're going to set it into the bracket. I'm going to screw these panels in place and then I'll start building a water system. We are back. So here's where we are at the moment. Water through to a T to a stop for the water heater, up at a 90 to an elbow, and then just supported halfway, and then to the base of where the back of our cabinet will have an access so I can isolate the sink. Hey, where you going? Zero leaks. Oh, Ecotemp water heater. This is an outdoor water heater for our shower. I'm gonna make a panel. I'm gonna make a removable panel. I think what I'll do is install a cleat across the floor here, about 16 inches over, and I'm gonna make a cut a 3/4 inch plywood panel and mount it. It'll serve also as a little bit of additional support. This is the lightest end of the bed, but it'll run from here down, and I'll put wing bolt, or I'll bolt it so I can just remove it when I need to. And that'll give us hot water here, but I'm gonna run the water to it, and then off the discharge here, the hot water side, I'm gonna try, I'll come down and install a T, and then I'll attach that to the PEX and run back through here. So one leg of the T will come out to the shower head, which will live here somewhere, and the other leg is going to come back and journey up here and then cut across to the front of the van to the sink. But I wanted to do a test of it first, so I have it on the table here. So I'm going to turn everything down to minimum, maximum water, minimum temperature. And I've hooked up the gas line to our barbecue tank. That's the shower, and this is the water intake. And I'm just going to hang it off this hook here. It's called a nail, but this nail on our sawhorse, and run a little water and see what happens. So. Okay, I just heard it light. I can smell it. And we have warm water. That is crazy. Like instantly warm water. Not much heat here either. Man. That is really something else. So I have it set on the lowest temperature setting. Turn. Okay, so that slows down the water flow. Let's go to the middle and see how hot it gets. Wow. Oh my God. That is nuts. Absolutely crazy. And there's off and then on. And it turns off the burner right away. So that's the driveway test of the Ecotemp L5, and it is, what do you think? Thumbs up?
Yeah, no, it's awesome.
2, 3 thumbs? 4?
All 4.
All thumbs up.
That'd be 4, 2 and 2.
That is pretty flippin' amazing. Well, Trooper has dew claws, because he can have a warm bath now too at the back of the van.
He will appreciate that.
So yeah.
He got warm bath. That's great.
Yeah. So yeah, that's our test of the Ecotemp.
Pretty. Does the unit get hot?
Pretty bloody amazing. The top does a little bit.
Yeah.
You can feel it.
Well, the sun's
It has a heat deflector here.
It's so warm.
So this is the heat shield. Mm-hmm. And then I'm thinking, did you look at this? I'm thinking that it's temporary. It's just pushed in there. But once I put that in place with the heat shield, I'll probably put a secondary shield on here.
Awesome. And then, yeah, and then if we run some slats and you can slide plywood for a divider there.
Absolutely, yeah. I want to mount this and see how far over I can get it to save as much room as possible.
Because your wife.
Because my wife wants lots of room in there.
I want storage.
Yeah, but that's great. I'm absolutely amazed by the Ecotemp.
Okay.
That is crazy. Okay, see ya. Thanks for stopping by. just jumped. I am extremely happy with the PEX shark bite fittings. There's not a leak on them. The one little leak I had was on the supply adapter I put together. So it has nothing to do with our water system. And that's it for water for now. So thanks for watching. Remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. Click the bell so you get notified every time we put out a video. So thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment or a question. And that's it for now, and we'll see you on the next episode. Bye.